to my channel. And if you are new to this channel, please hit the button like and subscribe. Today we're gonna cook another dish for our family. See you! Sit back, relax, and enjoy the cooking! Today we're gonna make a tasty sarad. And these are our ingredients. 1/2 kilo of scallops, soy sauce, calamansi, scallions, garlic, onions, pepper to taste, oyster sauce, and Sprite. Marinate the scallops with soy sauce, brown sugar, pepper, garlic, and calamansi. So first, you're going to add oil in a hot pan. Sauté the garlic and onions. Then, add the marinated scallops. Let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the oyster sauce. Let it simmer again for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the Sprite. Then again, let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes and you're ready to go. Do you know how to recognize the male and female scallop? Those who have the orange, that is considered as the female, and those who have the white is considered as the male. Scallop is also known as the great scallop. It is also has a scientific name, Picton maximus. Now ready for the food plating. You are going to add 2 pieces of scallions and viola. The tasty sarad is ready to serve. Word of the day, marinade. It means to soak either meat, fish, or other food in a marinade. The scallop was marinated in soy sauce, garlic, brown sugar, and calamansi. If you like this cooking video, hit the button like and leave a comment down below. Smash the bell button so you will be notified to my next video. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.